fact that I'm doing digital marketing and being my own boss and can't work always a full day, it has really a lot of benefits. If you have stable internet and you have a cell phone with a good internet connection, you can do this business literally from anywhere. So that for me is a big benefit. So if I have a day that I'm not feeling all up to it, I can do it literally from the comfort of my bed, or I can do it from anywhere that I feel I can work in my salon. I'm sitting at the moment in my salon doing my live, or if there's days that I was like a couple of weeks ago with a friend at the beach, I can even work from the beach. So you are not limited to an office, and you are also not limited to office hours. So that is the other big benefit. If you're maybe someone sitting and looking at my live and thinking, I have an 8 to 5 job, I can't do this, then I want to tell you, you are so wrong. You can still do it. Because with having an internet connection and a phone, at night you can do it. Some nights when I can't sleep and I scroll, I see a lot of people doing lives or posting their videos late at night or early in the morning, or even if you work shifts, you can work it around your shifts. So the wonderful thing of digital marketing and working for yourself is you can do it when it suits you. The most important thing is just consistency. Because I am now consistent every day at 1. I do my live, except on Tuesdays, because Tuesdays is the day I take my mum of 86 to town. But you can do your live anytime you want when it suits your lifestyle.